video of this process, okay? So then, if there's any questions going forward, you just watch the YouTube video, and that's it, okay? Great. Okay, perfect, great. Okay, wonderful. So, let's see how to do this. You want to go to 14. Now, maintain custom sales group. Let's see what that does. Okay, good. Okay. The idea, you're going to ultimately be running option 4, correct?
Yeah.
Option 4. You're going to be typing in the word custom, okay? And custom will be a custom sales group that you will define, and that will be your report, okay? So for now, we're just going to deal with one custom group. I assume you're going to want to create more than one custom group. You may want custom 1, custom 2, custom 3, right? But right now, we're just going to talk about how to do one, okay? So this is your goal, is you're going to create a custom sales group, right? Got it? Okay, and the group is called custom, okay? So you have to tell the computer, of course, what you want in that custom sales group, right? Otherwise, otherwise the computer won't know, right? Right? So you have to first tell the computer what styles you want in your report, okay? Right? Make sense? Okay, so you run option 8. So go ahead, you do it. Run option 8, maintain custom sales group. So run option 8. And type in the word custom. Literally the word, is that? Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, custom, yeah. Good. Okay, now, this is the custom sales group. Now, we were playing around with this, and there's 2 pieces of junk in there. So the way you add styles and colors to the custom sales group is very easy. You literally just add the style that you want to add. So type in the style that you want to add, that you want to put on this report. Type in the first style, just at the bottom of the screen. Good. And of course, hit return. Now it's going to ask you which colors you want to put on the report. Okay? So you have black, blue jay, cherry, and pearl. This program works as you toggle. Here, the way this program works is you toggle the color. So if you type the number 1 on the computer, if you just type 1 in return, it'll toggle the first line. So you just go ahead, type 1, and then return. So you toggled it to be yes. So you could toggle it yes and no either way you want, okay? So, right, exactly. You just go through them all and you just, that's right, exactly. And when you're done with this style, you type end, E-N-D. And it added the colors. Now that JC712P was a piece of junk, so let's get rid of that, okay? So to get rid of something that you don't like, you go into the line number 5. And there you want to toggle it to be no. Nope, you don't. No, that's not how you toggle. You toggle by typing the line number, and it changes. The computer will change it to a no. Right? And then you do like exactly. So now you just told the computer that you toggled off. You changed to no. Perfect. Now you add in the next style. You don't type add. You just start typing the new style. Perfect. Wonderful. Now you have to toggle everything. Yep. That's right. That's right. Exactly. Yep. Yep, that's right. Exactly. You just go in there and you just start toggling. That's right. And by the way, here the styles do not have to be in lowercase. Some of them will come in lowercase, some of them won't. It doesn't have to be in lowercase here. Yeah, the computer will move to the next screen, I think. So you don't see those, but don't worry about it for now. So if you make a mistake, it'll say that means you typed in the wrong style. It's not JC, it's JV, right? Exactly. That's right. Yep.
How can I see?
Because for some, there's like a little bug in the program. All you have to do is hit N for next, and you'll see it. Type the letter N for next. No, not N like N for next. Yeah, that's right. There they are. See? They're there. If you want to see them again, that's right. Type N for next. Yeah. Apparently, it moves it all down to the first screen, but
okay, done.
That's it? Okay, great. So now you've told the computer what you want on your custom report, called custom. Okay, then you want to type end here. END. Good. Okay, it tells you that it's been updated. We call the custom sales group 2010-01, and it predates everything. A group actually has to have a number in it. See the 2010-01. So we wrote a little thing that tells you that if you type custom, it points to 2010-01. But that's beside the point. So that's why it says 2010-01 even though it's custom. Okay, so hit return. And you're basically done. So you want to end out of this program. Yeah, that's right. You could type 2010-01. It'll bring it up. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, see? So probably what you'll end up doing, the easiest thing for us to do is just for you to know that if you make 2010-11, like if you enter 2000, if you enter 2010-02, that'll be another group for you. Although it may not, it may not work. Oh no, yeah, okay. But let's talk about creating more custom sales groups once we get everything running, okay? So now you type end, END. Good. Now you can run the report. So now you're on option 4. Now you type the word custom, or 2010-01 will work too. That's fine. That's fine. That happens to be the custom sales group. Ignore the stuff on the right, okay? Just ignore that. That's old stuff for Lisa, but just ignore that stuff. Now here you're only going to do one group at a time. So here you type end, END. There you want to type end also. This is stuff that we created for Lisa, don't worry about it. Now you type end again, generate style list, END. It's taking what you did on the previous program and it's putting them all together. It's asking you what the minimum per color is. You wanted it to be 10. You could set it to any number you want. If you want to see everything, you would type 0, but if you just want to leave it at 10, you just hit return for 10. It's your choice here. That's fine. That'll show you everything. That'll show you if you, okay, good. Like, for example, line 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, line 5 only has one piece available, so that will be on your report. But if you type 10, that almond combo would not appear on your report, right? Because that's what you typed. Okay, now you can review what you want. You can probably knock things off the report, but in practice you're not going to. You're just going to want to go ahead. Yeah, if you hit, I guess 0 again. Yeah, that tells you everything. Good, I'm glad you typed N for next. That's good. That's a good use of the computer. Wait, hold on. Don't hit return. Don't hit return. Don't hit. I can't be tandem to you when this happens. Okay? So now you could hit PDF and then hit return. And, of course, you want to have Adobe Acrobat closed on your computer when you run this. And it should come up in, I don't know, a little bit of time, maybe between 5 seconds and 20 seconds. Is it starting to come up?
Yeah, it's saying something.
Good. Okay, don't touch the screen. Don't touch your keyboard. Just let it do its thing. Now we set it up so that the new pictures that you're creating are going to overwrite Lisa's sketches. Okay? But if, let's say, for some reason you picked a style that you didn't upload a picture for, and Lisa already had a sketch there, then the sketch will come up. And if Lisa never uploaded a sketch, then you're going to get that thing that's going to say no picture, or something like that. You're going to see it'll be obvious. So did it come up?
This is perfect, Joe.
Great. Okay, so let's just check out. Wait, you report. Good. Okay, so that's it. Now let's say. Let's say you this. Let's say you want to create a new group. I think. Let's see if you go into 8. Maintain custom sales groups. Oh no, 2010-02. Nope.
Wait, let's not do it here. I have an idea.
What's that?
I have an idea.
What's that?
Let's do it here.
You can't. You don't have anything. You have no inventory. You have nothing.
We haven't put enough in so much of it.
We haven't finished this yet?
No, we still need to enter the unit. We just
Oh.
put in the style numbers, colors. There's so many different colors. You gotta code the colors.
Okay.
But you could work on uploading the pictures though. You could upload the pictures before the styles are in the system.
Oh, we could? Okay.
Yeah. You don't need to have the style created to upload the picture. So yeah, you could go. Yeah, you could upload the pictures all you want. You could upload anything you want.
All right, that's fine. We'll do it later. I'm just done for this. I think we can do it once you guys put the units.
Yeah, so now
Right.
I just need Myanmar's orders for the unit set.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we got the JV. Now we'll just work on the Thailand and Myanmar once I enter everything.
Right. So what I need to do is I just need to give you a program where you could create your own sales group and call it 2010-02, okay, or 2010. Look at the screen, 2010-03, okay, things like that, right? 2010-04. I mean, you're not going to need. How many you're going to need in practice, right? And then you would just, and then it would tell you what you want to call it, and you would want to call it Kohl's. Let's say you sent something to Kohl's. Kohl's February. You would call it Kohl's February 19 or something like that, right? And then every time you type in 2010-04, it would tell you that it's Kohl's February 19, right? See that? But I have to give you that program where you could tell the computer that you want to create a custom sales group. And it's really not even a custom sales group. You're just going to create a sales group called 2010-04, and it's going to be for Kohl's February 19, because you're going to want to have a report for Kohl's. You're going to want to have a report for TJ Maxx. You're going to have a report for this. You want to have a report for that, right? Right. So, and then at some.
Okay, well, we get there.
So I just have to do that. So I'll put something else on your menu. That would be option 10, which would be create a new sales group, okay? Create a new sales group. Something like that. I mean, it's possible that I'll put it into 9. Oops. I would put it into 8, and maybe there it would say 2010-02, and then it'll say, this is a new sales group, do you want to create it, give me a name, right? Let me figure that out, okay? But for now, everything's working. So the report and the pictures look good, Sina?
Yeah, they look amazing.
The picture, they're framed correctly, they're coming out okay. Because that was always a question about, with the resolution and how they'll look. So good.
No, they look good. I like it.
Perfect. And it didn't even take that long to upload, right?
I'm sorry, what?
It didn't take that long to upload the pictures because you said it was done in a moment.
Uploading, yeah, it doesn't take time. We just need to learn to start making groups.
Right.
Because we're sending out a lot of pictures. I want to make sure we have categories like petites, like petite
Right.
pants, like Missy or like woven pants,
Right.
like pants plus tops. I want to make sure that we do all these groups.
Right. So
And
then
we run groups.
what I'll also do is I'll go into here, 2010. Wait, 2010-01. Wait, where are we? Hold on. Into here. Oh, you know what the problem is? We're in GMB. GMB has no groups, right? That's the problem. to JV sales. That was the problem, 14. 4. This one. See on the right-hand side, you have all this junk from Lisa? What I'll do is I'll clear all that garbage out, okay?
Yeah,
so
that amazing. We can just start our own goals. I want to make sure we have like Missy Spring, Missy Fall,
right,
Petite, and
right.
Fall.
Right. So you don't mind calling the groups 2010-01 or 2010-02, and then on the right-hand side you will see the table. It'll tell you 2010-01 is this group, 2010-02 is this group. Okay, just like
on the right side, like a group description.
Yeah.
I don't mind.
Yeah, so the code. So in other words, the groups will have numeric codes. Okay?
Okay, that's fine.
And then the descriptions will be in English. And you will control everything. You will control the codes and the English. The problem is that if you have more than about 12 codes, then we have to change the screen. But let's set it up now. Right now, only the first 15 codes print. Okay? I don't know if you're going to be working with more than 15 at a time.
I'm just having you right now. What I'm doing is 6 is already reserved. Missy Spring, Missy Fall, Petite Spring, Petite Fall, and then Woven Spring and Woven Fall, Woman Spring and Woman Fall, like a plus size.
Yeah.
That's 6, and then Woman Fall, and then I have to go into other groups
Yeah.
the dresses.
Right.
Or we can just do only dresses, maybe.
By the way, an item can be on 2 groups at the same time. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. You could put the jeans in one group, and you could put the jeans in another group. No big deal. No big deal.
That's fine.
Okay, so you could have the same item be on multiple groups.
Okay.
Okay, so I need to change this right-hand side. I need to give you the ability to make your own group. It's not a big deal. So you'll be getting another addition to this. Okay, but this is how it works. I'm glad it all works for you. And I'm going to stop recording, and I'll post this